Alright, so let's draw our next figure. Let's erase what we've done. E-enter, all enter. Hit enter to get out of the command. And let's look at the figure from the book and start a line at point A. So anywhere, doesn't matter where. And we are going up by 3 units. So angle 90. And then you'll notice that we have an angle, but we know the sides of the triangle. So we can go relative 2, 2, over 2 in the X and up 2 in the Y. And then over by 5. So 5 angle 0. Then down by 5, angle 5, angle minus 90. Over to the left by 2, 180. Up by 3. Over to the left by 2. And then we need to go back to A. So we don't need to know how to do that, right? There are a couple ways. If we got out of the line command and can't use the close like we did the last tutorial, that's fine. We don't have to worry about that. We can turn on our O snap or object snap and just snap to the end of the line. So that's another way we can close it. Alright, so that is the end of this tutorial. So save your file. Don't save it over the B file. Let's save it as tutorial C. And that's it.